Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imrana Sarwar and I'm going to talk about average. It's the topic of the course, of the maths course for 5th graders. So I'm going to teach average to all the 5th graders. Let's begin. Okay, first of all, we would like to see the introduction of average. What is average? Average is defined as a calculated central value. Let's take the pen. Okay, it's a calculated central value. So we can see that we will calculate this average. What do we calculate? We calculate the set of numbers. We have set of numbers and we will calculate the central value of those set of numbers. To calculate it, what we will do, we will add up all the numbers in the set and then we will divide it by the number of values. So for example, if we have 3 values in a set, 7, 5, 7, 5 and 3, and if this set has 3 values, then we will add them up and divide it by 3 is going to be 15 divided by 3. The answer is going to be 5. And 5 is what? 5 is the representative value or the central value of this set. That's why this definition that we just found from here is average is equals to sum of values divided by total number of values. This is going to be the formula that we are going to learn and use for the whole of our tutorial. So let's focus and let's look at the examples then. Okay, what we have first example, which is saying what is Jane's average score for the 4 tests. We have 4 tests: maths, English, Urdu, science, and we have their corresponding scores. In maths, Jane's maths score is 90, English score is 88, Urdu is 84, and science is 90. And now we would like to know the representative value or the central value of this set. The same formula, average is equals to sum of values divided by total number of values. So in this case, average score is going to be sum of scores divided by total number of tests. Okay, let's solve it. All these numbers are going to be added up. 90 plus 88 plus 84 plus 90. And what are we going to do? We are going to divide it by the number of tests, number of values in the set, which is 4, is equals to 352 divided by 4, and that is equals to 88. I hope you know how to divide 352 divided by 4. Okay, that's not an issue, right? Jane's average score for the 4 tests is 88. Great. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Example 2. The number of goals scored by the school's soccer team in 5 games, 5 are the number of games, is shown below. First game, 1 goal. Second game, the soccer team achieved 4 goals. Third game, the soccer team achieved 3 goals. Fourth game, 2 goals. Fifth game, 0 goal. So the average formula is average is equals to sum of values divided by total number of values. Okay, same formula is going to be for this question. Average number of goals scored is equals to sum of goals scored divided by total number of games. Let's see the number of goals. First game, 1 goal. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 divided by 5 5 are the number of games, is equals to 10 divided by 5 is equals to 5. So 5 is the central value, or the average value, or the average of 5 games, average score of 5 games. Great. Okay, let's look at another example. Naima's average score for 4 tests is 86. Okay, this question is a little bit different from the previous two one. Naima's average score for 4 tests is 86. Average score is already given, it's 86. How many total number of tests? 4. So what is her total score? Okay, the same thing we just did here, we have written it here. It's 86, total number of values 4, total score of 4 tests we don't know. Okay, average is equals to sum of values divided by total number of values. This is the standard formula. For this question, the formula is going to be average score is equal to sum of scores divided by total number of tests. Average score is 86. From here, average score is 86. Sum of scores we don't know, divided by 4. Okay, so for getting sum of scores, we'll take it to one side and we will detach this divided by 4 and we'll take it to the another side of the equation. So sum of scores is equals to 86 multiplied by 4. 4 was divided by here, we took it to the other side of the equation, it became multiplication. So division is converted into multiplication. 86 multiplied by 4, sum of scores is equals to 344. When you will multiply 86 multiplied by 4, you will see that you will get 344. And what is this 344? 344 is this, the total number of 4 tests. The total score for the 4 tests is 344. Great. Let's look at the last example, which is example number 4. Peter spent an average of rupees 24.75 per day for a week. But this rupees 24.75 is for per day. One day he's spending this thing. Sorry. One day is spending 24.75. 1 week, in 1 week, how many days do we have? 7 days. So for 7 days, 24.75 multiplied by 7. So how much did he spend? What was the question? Let's look at the question again. How much did he spend all together in the week? We need to see how much he will spend in 1 week. So one day he spent 24.75. Second day he spent 24.75. Third day he spends 24.75. 4 days he spends 24.75. Fifth day he spends again 24.75. Sixth day he's spending 24.75. Seventh day he spends again 24.75. So every day he's spending 24.75. So how much did he spend all together in the week? So in the week he spent how much? So 24.75 multiplied by 7 is going to be the answer. He spent rupees 173.25 all together in the week. Great. So this was the end of our chapter average. We have looked into some of the examples too. I hope you have learned and understood the examples and the concept of average. It's just a central value of the set of numbers, and there is a formula which is very easy. Average is equals to sum of values divided by total number of values. So please keep practicing so that you remember the formulas and you can solve the questions easily. Okay, have a great day. Keep practicing. Allah Hafiz.